Good morning, boys and girls. We are going to look at not a new letter today. We are going to review a letter. We are going to be reviewing the letter O. And we're going to start off with a book. Good morning, boys and girls. We are going to review a letter today. We are going to review the letter O. We've already talked about the letter O before. Remember, O is a vowel, so it's going to have two sounds. Here is our letter O. When we write an O, we start at the top, we curve down, around, and close it. The sound for the letter O, short sound is ah, long sound is O. And here's our character, Mr. O. He likes opposites. One shoe on, one shoe off, one sleeve down, one sleeve up, one eye open, one eye closed. One side of his shirt is tucked in, one side is out. Everything about him is opposite. And then just like we know the character O, we also just need to recognize the letter O by itself without having that character to remind us. So here is an uppercase O. There is a lowercase o. Owl starts with the letter O. It's one of those tricky words that you don't really hear it. You just have to know that owl starts with an O. All right, so we are going to listen to a book about the letter O. Let me pull it up for you.
Abdo Kids, the Alphabet. O by Bella Davis. Abdo Publishing Company. Olive jumps into the pool. Olga has cookies in the oven. Ollie holds onto the rope. Oma reads a good book. People wear costumes in October. Oscar opens the door for his mom. Omar looks at an oar. Owen says hello to the officer. What makes Olivia cry? An onion. More O words. Ocean, orange, octopus, otter.
All right, boys and girls, so now we are going to look at your paper for the letter O. All right, you are going to write your name at the top using a pencil. All right, on the top row, we have an uppercase O. For an uppercase O, you use your pencil. You start at the top, you curve it around and down and close it. Then you are going to write some uppercase O's. All right, lowercase o is exactly the same way, but it is a short letter. It's going to start at the dotted line. So put your pencil on the dotted line. Curve it down and around and close it. Lowercase o. All right, then your directions say color the pictures that begin with the O sound. So short sound is ah, long sound is O. Your pictures are octopus. Does octopus start with an O? Yes, so you're going to close it. Or you're going to color it, I'm sorry. Ostrich. Does ostrich start with an O? Yes, color that one. What about pumpkin? No. Go to the next row. What about octagon? Yes, that starts with a short O, so color it. And the next one's a tricky one. It is an orange. You don't really hear the O sound at the beginning of orange, but the word orange is a sight word, and we know it begins with the letter O, so we're going to color it. This light switch is split on, as a short O at the beginning. Color it. All right, on our bottom row, we have a cat. Does cat begin with O? No. What about otter? Yes, otter begins with the letter O, so you're going to color it. What about koala bear? No. He does not begin with an O, so we're not going to color that one. We're only going to color the ones that begin with the O, so you're going to color the octopus, ostrich, octagon, orange, on, and otter. All right, boys and girls, one thing I forgot to show you at the very beginning is our letter cup. I started these yesterday. So here's our cup with the letter O, uppercase O and lowercase o, and let's see what's in our cup today. Oh, these are things we just looked at. There is an ostrich. Ostrich begins with an O. This shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. It is called an octagon. Octagon begins with an O. And there is our octopus, who has 8 legs. So octopus begins with an O. All right, boys and girls. So here's an uppercase O and a lowercase O. Short sound is ah, long sound is O. If you have any trouble with your work, send me a message and let me know, and I'll be glad to help you.